Do you know how to make butter? If not, let's make it together with just 2 ingredients. Our first ingredient is going to be whipping cream. I prefer at times heavy whipping cream. Either will work, but of course, heavy whipping cream is the best. Our second ingredient is salt. This, of course, is optional. You may opt for table salt. My preference is Himalayan salt. Now that we have both ingredients down, what else do we need? Now let's look at the tools that's needed. First up is our scissors. Of course, you know we need to cut open that box. Next up is our spatula, just to smooth the edges and make sure that everything is all nice and neat. Up next is our containers, to store our butter in afterwards, of course. And then finally, water. Not just any water, but cold water. How could I possibly forget our main tool, which is our mixer? We need this to mix all our ingredients together nice and smooth. Now that we're all set, let's go! First up is our whipping cream / heavy whipping cream. Let's give that a really good shake to make sure all the ingredients are nice and loose and ready to be poured out. Now go ahead and empty the contents into the mixing bowl. I should tell you, the mixture tends to get a little bit excited at times, so you may need to have a handy dandy towel on hand. Okay, so let's get whipping. We may need to turn our mixer on medium and allow it to mix for quite a while. This is where your patience comes into play. All you need to do now is to allow the mixer to do its job. Allow it to mix for a few minutes, watching it carefully as it all comes together. Okay, let's now check to see the progress. We are going to realize that after a while, the consistency is no longer that liquefied. It's starting to get thicker. And before you blink, magic happens. There is a sweet spot between heavy whipping cream and butter. Do you know what that is? You guessed it. Homemade soft serve ice cream. Wow! At this stage, you can't stop mixing if you just want ice cream.